Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. 22mm Karcher screw fittings. They call them Karcher, but obviously they're 22mm standard. They fit most things in the marketplace. So what we're looking at here is different. Now these are stainless steel. So when you're using stainless steel, they are 3 to 4 times more expensive than a standard one, but the quality of it is totally different. It's a one-off purchase really, stainless steel, you don't have to replace. So the first one we're coming to is 3/8mm. These are normally used, this 3/8, which should be measured across the diameter here from there to there. You'll measure, and it'll measure about 15mm, somewhere in that sort of range of 16. We've got these in all different variations, so you can see on this side of it. Then got 3/8 again. Same again, if you measure across, you'll find it measures. Now these are normally used on hoses, on the hose side. Then I'm going to move over onto the quarter, which measures about 12mm. So 12mm across the diameter of this, and inside there. And they're used to connect lances and stuff like that together. We use steam, a great one for using steam lances and so on, because it can cope with it more than any other coupling in the marketplace. Quality is absolutely fantastic. The O-ring inside, you'll see, it's not a black O-ring, rubber, a cheap O-ring, like I say. So these are the ones, and they just simply screw around as they would do normally on a 22mm screw fitting. The inside nose on these, 12.5 to 13mm inside diameter, but like I say, they are standard. They're not one of these for the Chinese import machines that's got a larger 14.5mm nose. So what we've got there is a 22mm male to quarter female. Then got 3/8 female to 22mm male. Then got 3/8 male, 22mm male, and then on this last one here, back to this one here, we've got quarter. Like I say, if you measure across that roughly, it's about 12mm. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and then a stainless steel range with 22mm screw fittings. Thank you very much.